Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we're going to make some delicious pita kebabs. We're going to use an electric grill to cook our pita kebabs. And these pita kebabs, I woke up nice and early today, went to the butcher store just to get them nice and fresh. We're going to cook both sides until they become nice and golden brown. And it doesn't take very long. It takes around 3 minutes each side. The great thing about kebabs is that they cook very quickly. We're going to cook 4 pitas, 2 at a time. We're going to brush on some cooking oil on both sides. I love to cook my pitas extra golden brown on both sides because it gives an incredible crunch on every bite. The first pita kebab we're going to make is for my father, and he loves everything in it. Let's add some salt and pepper on top of the kebab. Always begin with the tzatziki first. A nice tablespoon of tzatziki, a couple of tomatoes, some onions, lettuce, and French fries. We always use aluminum foil to wrap up our pita kebabs because it keeps them nice and warm. The second pita kebab is for my mother. She likes salt and pepper, a nice spoon of tzatziki, tomatoes, and French fries. And the third one is for my sister. She likes her pita kebab just with tomatoes, lettuce, and French fries. The last one is my pita kebab. I love tzatziki, so I put in 2 nice tablespoons of tzatziki, tomatoes, and onions. And that is my favorite pita kebab. And, like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.